How to delete Bigo account permanently. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can delete Bigo account permanently. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Bigo application, and if you're already logged into your account, tap on Me icon from the bottom right corner. Now you will land in this page. From here, navigate to top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Under settings, tap on account management. Here, scroll all the way down and there under account ownership, at the very last there it says please operate delete account. Tap on delete account. Now, if you want to delete this account, please enter the account login password to verify. So for your verification, you have to enter the password. Then tap on next. Here are some conditions to delete your current account. Now you have to confirm and continue. For that, tap on this button that is confirm and continue. Now make sure to read all of this information given to you. Then tap on the tick mark that says terms and agreement. Then to proceed, tap on delete account button. Now again, at last, confirm to delete your account. Tap on delete account, and with that the account has been deleted permanently. So that's how you can delete your Bigo account permanently, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.